Hello and welcome to diyas Funplay. In today's video, let's see what is a water cycle. Water can neither be created nor destroyed in nature, but it can be transformed into three different types, namely solid, liquid, and gas. Water moves from ocean to the atmosphere, or from atmosphere to the river, or from river to the oceans by different physical processes called evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, surface runoff, and subsurface flow. This process of transformation and continuous movement of water in different forms on, above, and below the surface of the earth is called as water cycle or hydrological cycle. The sun's energy heats up the water in the ocean, seas, and other water bodies. Water evaporates and turns into vapor. Ice and snow can sometimes transform directly into water vapor without turning into a liquid. This process is called sublimation. Plants take up water from the soil and release water vapor into the air through their leaves. This process is called transpiration. Water is evaporated from the soil too. The water vapor rises up in the atmosphere because of buoyancy. As the altitude increases, air pressure and temperature decreases. This decrease in temperature causes the water vapor to condense into tiny liquid water droplets which are heavier than the air and falls down as rain. A huge concentration of these droplets over a large area in the atmosphere becomes visible as a cloud, while condensation near ground level is called as fog. Water precipitates and falls down in the land surface as rain, hail, snow, and fog. The water falling down collects in streams, rivers, lakes, and soil, and much of it flows back into the oceans where it will once again evaporate and follow the cycle called the water cycle.
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Right up, subscribe right here, right now. Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.